Minister in charge Social Welfare Paul Lyngdoh today held a meeting with various faith leaders in the state to discuss on the alarming rise of substance abuse in the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, he said that increasing the counselling and awareness programs will be done. He further said that 10 crore rupees will be earmarked for the implementation of drug awareness programs.
We have identified hotspot districts. We will concentrate on those, but at the same time, we will be allotting funds to all the districts. But at this stage, we have first approached faith organizations because they have the infrastructure, they have their churches, they have their schools. So, based on that consideration, we have asked them to come up with proposals so that the pilot project can take off immediately.
Another mudslide occurred at